Okay, so hello guys. This is a new package from Amazon, and just shipped back to my house. So basically, this is the new GTR. I believe it's the GT 4-door. I cannot remember the name. But yeah, this is very early. I think this car should be releasing in about December, but obviously I pre-ordered it. So it's coming quite soon. So this is legitimately my first opening of the box. Oh damn, that is satisfying, man. Okay, where to open next though? That's the thing. Wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. Holy shit, look at it. It's very nicely sealed. Wow. Damn, look at this. Damn. The Skyline 25 GT 4-door. Sorry, Coupe. Sorry, this is the Coupe. No, I'm messing things up. So basically, oh, look at that. That is magnificent. Look at that. I'm just gonna go through the box design. As you can see here. Okay, I'm gonna put this one up here. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Right. So that's the box design. In the front, inside. Damn, this is quite bloody nice. Now the choice that it has two choice: the gray one with like dark gray rims, and the blue one with white rims. So obviously I like white rims more. So yeah, that's a no-brainer. If the gray one has like golden wheels, I definitely going to go for that. But actually, it's sort of a bit like dark gray in a way. Oh, so it's open in the side. Damn. Okay, that's new for me. And let's go then. Damn. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Holy shit. That is quite bloody cool. Look at that. Let's go. Let's open this. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, it's flying all over the place already. Right, so that's the boot. Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna see if they have the specs on here. Oh, they... Ooh. This is like a customer survey or some stuff. Did they have the like the specs on here? Because usually they're gonna have like the specs in here. Enjoy. Okay, this is very funny right over here because this is Japanese people writing English right over here. Let's read this out loud. Please enjoy the reassembly process as if you were the owner of the actual car. Front bumper, stock factory option. Okay, this is making sense, but the first sentence is just stupid. This first sentence is really stupid. Please enjoy the reassembly process as if you were the owner of the actual car. Holy shit. Only one car body is included. Huh? What do you mean? During the reassembly? What the fuck? Why can't they just say assembly? During the reassembly, exercise caution to avoid causing damage to any component. Oh my god, this is Japanese people writing English right over here. That is so funny. Okay, so it doesn't have the specs of the car then on this box. Doesn't have the specs on it. Basically, like Tomytec is usually going to have like a specs for the car on the box. Well, okay, not the normal box, only the expensive one. And this is quite expensive. Okay, let's get straight into the important thing, which is the car. So how do I take this out now? Okay. Oh, the rims is so good. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. The bare bone GTT, sorry, I'm very sorry. GTT, and obviously this car has suspension. That is really good suspension right over here. Oh my god, that's the travel is quite high. Ooh, damn. You see the radiator and everything. Look at that. Oh, and you have the, is that the Skyline badge? No, sorry, that's the plastic thing. Okay. Looking nice actually, really nice. And then the side view, you have a black brake calipers, and you have the GT logo right over there. Indicators. The interior is sort of like a gray, like a cement gray sort of color. So in there is the the steering wheel is also in this gray, in this silver, I should say. And then the rear, let's go to the rear. That does look quite nice actually. Wow. Even without the bumpers. Right, okay, now this is the exciting part. Assemble the parts for the cars. Okay, right, so what should we go for? Wait, I'm gonna go for the normal one first, okay? The one without the Nismo kit. So this is the normal bumper. Okay, this is the normal set of bumpers and spoilers. Oh, is that the normal spoiler? Yep, that is the normal. So, okay. So, oh, damn, the feeling is also, the quality is really nice. Okay, that's the normal set. So we have the boot right over here with the wing, small wing. Okay, I'm gonna do a comparison. Okay. So that's the Nismo pack, I believe. I think it's the Nismo pack, yeah. Is it a Nismo pack? I think it's the Nismo pack. I'm not sure, but here it is. Okay, so the wing is bigger and it's longer in dimension. Yep. And then okay, let's do the front bumper and the Nismo front bumper. Damn. So like when you hold this, it's not plasticky. It's sort of plasticky, but it's a very hard plastic. And when you fold it, you have the feeling of breaking it, but you're not actually breaking it. You know what I mean? Yeah, because Tomytec, you know, it's very durable. So that's the front bumper of the normal one, the GTT, and this is the front bumper of the Nismo kit. That's nice. That's very nice. Okay. And now the rear bumper. This is the normal one. And that is the Nismo kit. Have the red Skyline badge there. Damn, that's really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna put the normal one on first. Okay, let's go then. So assemble this in. Okay, you just have to put it in. And then click it to place. Oh, there it is. That's satisfying. That's really satisfying. Oh, damn. Put the spoiler on. Oh, shit. Now, this spoiler, so that is made out of plastic. The front and the rear bumper is made out of plastic, hard plastic. But that one is actually metal, same like the car. This one is actually metal. Oh, and look at the wing. Whoa, I can unfasten it. with a small screwdriver, which I also have here. I can literally unfasten the... Okay, I'm gonna take the screwdriver out. And... what the hell? I can unfasten it. Look. Okay, that's really small. That's really small. I'm gonna use the minus screwdriver. And I can unfasten it. Holy shit, look at how small the thing is. Look, I think this should fit. Oh, no way. You can, oh. You can unfasten it. No, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. It's, shit, it's dangerous. If I can unfasten it, and I cannot, you know, put it back together, it's going to be very bad. So, I'm gonna leave it as it is. And assemble, continue assemble. I'm really sorry, we're going off topic again. Okay, so that is not really like how can I say, secure in place. Okay, it's secure enough. But it feels like it's gonna come off like all the time. Like it feels like that, even though I'm pressing it all now. If you shake really hard or just gently touch it, it's gonna come off. That's the downside of that spoiler. But anyway, it still look nice though. So right, the front bumper. Oh shit. Okay, that's bad. I almost break it. Let's do that again. Okay, nice. Look at that. And obviously you have a suspension. Let's test it out. Quite nice. It's really nice. Okay, let's put the Nismo kit on. Let's see how we transform the car. Okay, the spoiler. Right. Okay, I want to put the normal parts in here. Oh shit, and I'm gonna take the Nismo kit out. Okay, so let's begin assemble. So right off the bat, the spoiler also have this small little cog here. Cog, okay, not cock, it's cog. Okay, now that's a magnificent side right there. Oh, cannot really clip it in place, so that's the thing. Still very easy to come off. Okay. Right. So that spoiler is really aggressive looking. So that's the thing about Tomytec, is that the plastic bit is cut to piece. So it's in the production line and it's sort of cut out, and you can really see that it got cut out. That is annoying. That is really annoying. Same with the bumper. Look at that. Same with the bumper. It got cut out. That's the thing that I don't really like about Tomytec, is that it's usually have that cut out thing on most of their car. Not even Techs, but in like even normal series and the premium also the same story. So that's really easy to come off. Okay, anyway, let's install the front bumper. Damn. The process of installing the front bumper. Oh shit, yeah, you see, it's not really, yeah, cannot really hold it in place, the rear spoiler. Come on, go in. I'm really sorry this video took quite long, because this shit won't go in. Look, it's just fighting me. Oh, there it is. It's in. Oh, that's nice. Okay, look at this sporty car. Damn, that singular exhaust is just so cool, man. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe.